Today we're diving into the features of the ZUZEE Z1 tire inflator portable air compressor, a game changer for anyone needing quick and efficient tire inflation. This powerful device boasts an impressive inflation speed that's 4 times faster than most portable inflators, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 bar, making it both fast and precise. With 4 preset modes and a customizable 0 to 150 psi mode, inflating everything from car tires to sports balls has never been easier, and its digital pressure gauge ensures you can monitor real-time pressure with ease. The Z1's high-performance 5C battery allows for up to 2 hours of continuous use without external power, or you can plug it into your car's cigarette lighter for a reliable power source on the go. In emergencies, the built-in LED light serves as both a flashlight and a distress signal, while the device itself can also charge your electronics, making it an essential tool for road trips. Safety is a priority with its anti-scalding air tube and overheating protection, and its compact design means you can store it easily without hassle. With a 30-day free return policy and a 24-month warranty, the ZUZEE Z1 is a smart and reliable choice for anyone on the move. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.